Hello, this is Vicky from the Spellbound Bead Company, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stitch in the ditch around the edge of a bezel to start making the walls on our birthday pot kits. So as you can see, I've got an imaginary coin in the middle of my bezel here, but this is the basic outside shape that you need. I've got a needle and thread with a keeper bead on, and I'm just going to come up through a couple of beads so that I'm coming out on the top row of the delicas that's on the bezel. So it's these pink beads that I'm going to be working on here. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick up a bead and we're going to sit it in this channel here. So we're going to, it's essentially tubular peyote stitch. So we're going to come through the next pink bead around, and that pink bead, that orange bead is going to sit in the gap in the ditch between the two beads. So again, pick up and come through, pick up and go through, pick up. Now if you're working with delicate beads, you might find that you need to go down from a standard size 10 needle to a size 12 needle. That's the one in our kits with the yellow dots on the packet, just because the angle you're getting through means that it's a little bit of a tight squeeze. The beads I've got here they've got a slightly more oversized hole than you would have on a delicate, so it does make it a little bit easier to pass through. But this is essentially what you're doing. You're going to put a bead in every gap around, like so, come through the last bead on the bezel, and then step up into the first bead around, and then you're ready to start your next row of work. And this is going to sit proud of the edge of the bezel, and we'll do this, we'll just put these beads on all the way around. Oops. And this is where you're going to start following the colour pattern on the grid to get your patterning around the side of your box. So all the way around. There we go, last bead of the round, through the orange, and step up into the first bead of this row. So that's just a very quick video on how to pick up the beads around the edge of a bezel.